Hi lovelies, welcome to today's video. This is just a very quick and easy brow tutorial. So starting off, I'm showing you the brow pencil, the brow brush, the flat brush to conceal the brow, and the concealer itself. So I'm just going on ahead to draw a line beneath my brows. I'm just following my natural brow shape and I'm drawing it just the same way my brow shape goes. This is very easy and very beginner friendly, you guys. Just draw it as I'm doing right now. So I'm going on ahead to just brush the front of the brows with the brow brush that I showed you earlier. I didn't use a spool. So going on ahead, I'm just highlighting my brows with the concealer. It's just a shade lighter than my skin tone because I don't want these brows to be highlighted with two different shades. Usually I'll use a lighter shade and a darker shade for my brow bone and the rest of the brow, but for this one I'm just using one concealer shade, which is a shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm just using the rest of the concealer on the brush to just clean up the upper part of the brows. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for the love and the support so far. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you will subscribe to this channel after watching these videos, and make sure to watch a few more of my videos to get convinced if you want to do that. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, thumbs up this video, and share with your family and friends to support my channel. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you so much. Here you have it, guys, the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you will come back and watch more of my videos. Love you and have a wonderful day. Bye.